Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dolly and we are here today to make this beautiful bottle. So Decopatch basically is an art of decorating an object by just gluing colored paper or printouts or napkins or any sort of paper on an object. So for this DIY we'll need so you guys get napkins on any stationery shop. These are Decopatch napkins and you get it for about a 10 rupee napkin, and it's like a napkin only. It's very thin. Also you get these papers, Decopatch papers from XOXO, and it is also available on Amazon. I am going to link down everything, so please do check. And these kind of, but this is the one that I've used for this bottle. Used those. And for this DIY you will need the papers that I told you, that I showed you all. Then you need some acrylic paint. This is a pink chalk paint. Guys, I ordered this from XOXO. I got 2-3 sheets of these Decopatch papers. I got this sample, got this free sample, so I used this on my bottle. I've used this chalk paint. I have used acrylic skin paint. What is this called, the color? I'm going to link down everything below, guys. So this is the skin paint, and I also used white acrylic paint. And you also need this what do you call, picture varnish. So you will also get this on any stationery, or you can also buy this online on Amazon. It's called artist picture varnish for oil colors, but you can actually, why you use varnish is to seal your colors and your work. So, and it also gives a shine to the bottle. Whatever object you use, you should use varnish to seal everything in. And you need a Mod Podge, guys, to sort of stick the paper onto the bottle. You definitely need Mod Podge, and you can make Mod Podge at home. I have showed that to you in the video. It's very easy, guys. It's just, if you take one bottle of a Fevicol, take the same bottle, half bottle of water in it, and then just mix it, and your Mod Podge is ready, guys. It's that easy. I did not waste any money on this. Okay, so this costed me a Fevicol bottle, that whatever that costs. And what do you have? This is for 140 rupees, I guess. Yeah, this is for 140 rupees. And these colors, definitely they are very cheap. They're for 20 rupees. You will just need a brush to work with your things. And if you want to buy, you can buy these tissues, or you can print it out, or whatever you want. You can do whatever you want. Be creative about it. That's it, guys. Let's get in the video. Okay guys, take any bottle that you want to DIY. Then I'm going to clean it properly, and I'm using white acrylic paint to paint it, to paint the base. People use gesso, but I am using white acrylic paint. It also works fine. Then I am going to paint it and going to coat fully white. Then I'm going to double coat the white color. Okay, then you select the kind of tissue or the papers that you want to use. You can also use magazine cutouts. You can also go for a printout. It's totally fine. I had these tissues, so I'm going to stick I'm going to mix things and going to stick them. I'm taking my Mod Podge. Guys, you can use Mod Podge at home also. I mean, you can make Mod Podge. Just take, if you're taking one Fevicol bottle, just take half of water, half a bottle of water, and then you can mix them. Your Mod Podge is ready. Okay. I'm taking this tissue right here and placing it over there and putting Mod Podge on it to sort of seal it. I'm taking this tissue, going to cut it out and going to place it. First you put Mod Podge, then you stick the paper, sort of press it. And then you take your Mod Podge and go over the paper to sort of seal it. Then I'm taking this paper right here, this cutout right here, and going to stick it around the bottle. It's the same procedure, guys. Put Mod Podge, put your paper, and then put Mod Podge again to seal it. It's that easy. You can also wet the paper first and then stick it, just avoiding the wrinkles. Then I'm taking that angel right there and I'm going to cut that out. Then I'm taking this skin color acrylic paint and I'm going to take a sponge and going to dab it. In this technique I'm going to sort of paint the whole bottle skin. I'm just going to leave the front part where I'm going to leave it white and I'm going to stick something there like a coat or something. So just cover the bottle with skin color and then we are going to go in with some other color to give it some other look and not this fika skin color. Then I'm taking this chalk paint from Itsy Bitsy, this pink chalk paint, and I'm going over the skin color that I had put before in the same technique. That's how the bottle will look after you paint it properly. Then I'm sort of covering the edges where my sponge was not going. I'm taking a brush and sort of cleaning it. Then I'm taking this paper, sticking it. Yes guys, put Mod Podge, put the paper, and seal it. Easy. Going to stick that one right there. You can place your stickers or place your papers as you want to. I have placed them like this. Then I did stick the angel that I really liked. The same way that I told you, put Mod Podge, put your paper, then go over the Mod Podge. Go over with the Mod Podge. That's easy, really easy. Then I have this Maxine cutout that I really like, All About You. So I did cut it and I stuck it there. This is the final look, guys. I hope you really like it. And in the same way, I made these tea, sugar and coffee jars. And they look very cute, guys. They also made this tray. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel.